Ready to be blown away? Let's talk about falcons. Falcons are the speed demons of the animal kingdom. The peregrine falcon, in particular, can reach mind-blowing speeds. When they dive, also known as stooping, they can hit over 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One car. Picture this. You're on a roller coaster, but the falcon just zooms past you like it's nothing. These incredible birds use their speed to hunt, diving from great heights to catch their prey by surprise. Imagine having such laser-sharp precision at such high speeds. It's like being a living missile. So, next time you see a falcon soaring through the sky, remember, you're looking at nature's very own jet fighter. Pretty awesome, right? Falcons, the ultimate speedsters of the skies. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this.